Hi, collective. Let's see what's going on in your energy and with the person on your mind. Okay, we have the 10 of Swords, and I'm gonna take this one. We have the Ace of Wands. After 10 comes the 1. Okay, tell me more about this. Oh, we have the Queen of Swords. I think you have learned a very difficult lesson about your boundaries and yeah, someone in your energy, someone you're connected to. This is a romantic partner. They are learning the hard way about their boundaries as well. You know what I'm picking up on? I'm picking up on someone who is easygoing, someone who doesn't really think that people's energy and negative intentions affect them. Like they haven't really had an experience in their life where they fully understood to the full extent how other people's energy do impact them. See what else is coming up. This person is learning a very hard lesson about, they are very ambitious, but they need to realize they need to filter the crowd before they reach the state of abundance. This is someone who helps people, you know, for no apparent reason. This is someone who helps people very generously, kindly. And you are also learning the same lesson. Actually, you have learned your lesson really well and you are in the process of applying it in your life. And this person is in the process of understanding it, realizing it. This person is in this energy, your person is in this energy where they are understanding that a lot of people hide a lot of things from them. I'm picking up on someone's energy who is now understanding the fierce repression and suppression of emotions that they have you know kind of like they got through it, like they were okay with suppressing and repressing their emotions, and on the other hand you were very emotionally expressive and now you're understanding and like applying it in your life that there are certain emotions that you can just repress and it's okay, like but in a way, in a healthy way, that you can not repress but like let go of things. You're letting go of things and this person is realizing that they have never let go of things, they were just repressing it, suppressing it. This person is learning a lot from you. This person is in this energy where they are understanding that their exhaustion, their fear, or their the mental fatigue, the mental fog that they are experiencing, it's also because of the negative people that they are surrounded by. They're finally realizing it. And see, sometimes, a lot of people are okay living that way, but if a person wants to reach the 10 of Pentacles to the King of Pentacles, they cannot be surrounded by people who are draining their energy or taking advantage of their resources. So, this is something that your person is realizing heavily right now. We have the Queen of Pentacles and we have the Six of Pentacles. This person is also looking at at the future, and they are thinking about how they want a partner who is going to be abundant, but at the same time this partner needs to come from a very enriched space of mind, and they are realizing how they have met this partner actually, and it's you. You are in this energy where you were financially not doing so good because you also needed to learn your boundaries. You also needed to go through these life lessons and realize there are certain things and certain people who shouldn't be allowed in your life. And that is something which is standing out for me in this entire reading. A lot of people in your life have left your life, and now your person is going through something similar where they are letting go of a lot of people. Tell me more about this situation. More about this situation. We have the Page of Wands. I'm picking up on someone who is realizing that, we have the Lovers at the bottom of the deck. This person is stalking you for a lot of y'all, but this person is in this energy where they are energetically stalking you. What I mean by that is this person is kind of understanding your progress as a person, as an individual, and they are taking a lot of inspiration from that. I was picking up on this energy in my previous readings as well. This person is coming to the full realization of how important it is for them to work on themselves. This person is someone who doesn't really criticize themselves a lot. But on the other hand, when it comes to like emotional relationships or how their behavior has affected certain people or how they repressed certain emotions, that is something that they don't think about. On the other hand, their career is something they think about a lot. Like their ambitiousness, the the way they are coming out to to the world, like, how people perceive them, that is something that they think about a lot. And now they're realizing how these both things are connected. Like, they're understanding the alchemy, sorry. Yeah, that's what I'm picking up on. This person is in this energy where they are spending a lot of time alone, and they are understanding the journey, the sole purpose of all of this. Because maybe, they never thought why they came across a person like you, and why, the separation, the intense emotions, the triggers, why it happened. Like, they never really thought about it in other relationships as well, or in other situations of their life. There were triggers, but they never really thought about it. They just accepted that, there are certain things about life which you don't really need an explanation for. But this is something which they really need an explanation for. So it keeps them awake at night. They keep on thinking about it. Ten of Wands to the King of Wands. This person is ending something. This person is ending a huge cycle of their life. And they are realizing that, in order for them to be this confident version which they want to be, and they want to be this individual who is very well respected in the community, they really need to change certain things about their life. We have the Two of Cups and we have the Four of Wands. You know what I'm picking up on? Like, this person is in this energy where they really want to establish a stable connection with you, but they know that in order for that to happen, they really need to let go of this. They know that this person is intuitive, but it's not something which monitors their judgment. Sorry, not monitors, but like it's not something that governs their judgment. It is something that they know they are intuitive, but they don't really pay heed to it. Can you tell me the future actions of this person, please? We have the Nine of Wands in reverse and we have the Queen of Cups in reverse. This person is letting go of a lot of third parties. This person is letting go of a lot of third parties. This person is realizing how other people's energy affects them. And this is a lesson that they needed to learn from within. Like, this is something that they needed to realize on their own. And they are letting go of a lot of third parties. That's the future action that's coming up. We have the Nine of Wands in reverse. There is someone in their life, they kind of repress the entire situation. We had the Three of Swords as well. This is not you, this is someone else. This is an ex partner or something like that, and they never really let go of this person emotionally. And all of those situations, how that entire experience kind of uh, tampered with their relationships in the future. This relationship as well, they're understanding the what's the right word, they're understanding the connection, like how these two things are connected, and they are letting go of it. That's their future action. Yeah, that's what I'm picking up on. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye.